So this week, I'm in Brooklyn. I went to Other Times Vintage, a really amazing plant store, and they sell other things. But let's take a look. Wow. What is this? And look, my favorite, a weeping blue atlas cedar. I don't know what this is. So pretty. This place is beautiful. Is this your home? Oh my goodness. Well, they don't need full light. Oh, that light is enough. Because it's not filtered. He was asking how do you keep these guys alive. And there's no grow lights. But sometimes that filtered sun is good too. So, as you can see, this space is so well manicured, so well curated that I didn't feel the need to speak over the entire video. The two-person team that makes this store up, Briar and Joseph, you guys did an amazing job. So the store really speaks for itself. There's great found items, knickknacks, just items that'll look good in any corner of your home. So if you are ever in Brooklyn, go to 48 Bogart Street and just go in. We were greeted by this beautiful young woman right here. Her name is Layla Ba. So say hi if you ever go see her so you can see that great smile. And it's just a great space to be in. So until next time, have a great day, guys. I forgot, but I didn't. And like always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend. Let's grow this little family. And here's the name of that plant. You see this thing right here? It's a pine, it's a conifer. This is called a monkey puzzle. I'm gonna have to look this up. And in this zone in New York, it's okay outside all year long. Crazy.